You know what? I'm going to English today. I'm going to English today and I don't give a freaky. Look, kita nyo na lampi na siya dito. Pero kaya pa to. Umiyak talaga ako, guys. Huh? He died. He passed away. Oh my God, bakit ako iyak sa mga taong hindi ko kilala talaga? Cover this. Gikalibanga ako, guys. Kinalibanga ako.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Good morning, guys! Today is Monday. Back to my working clothes. This one, it's my working cleaning outside. Long sleeve, yellowy, typey, clothy. Good morning! Alam nyo ba kung anong gagawin ko? Hindi ako mag-wash ng face. Lagyan natin ng moisturizer kasi yung ilong ko is nakikita ka nang nag-dry. So, ganito ako. Ang daming nilagay around here. And then, yan. Patuyuin ko muna to bago ako lalabas, guys. Kasi yung dust, the dust of the grass, of the pollen, of the limpo. Mapilit! Mapilit! So, moisturizer, and then itong Neutrogena na matagal na to, guys, kasi kunti-kunti lang yung lagay ko ba. Ano to siya? Triple Edge Repair Moisturizer with sunscreen. You know, with sunscreen, 25 SPF lang siya, guys, pero okay lang to kasi pang-protecta konti sa mukha, guys. Kasi alam na, guys, look, 2 years na ata to, or 1 year na sa akin na. Meron pang laman, dami pa, guys. Kailangan siyang ikat, guys. Kasi yesterday, I was planning of cutting our grass sa yard. But, it was raining. Slowly drizzle. Chami told me in the city was raining yesterday. And over here, just a little drizzle. But it takes forever to stop. So, that means the grass is so wet. Right now, it's wet. So, I have to wait for like 2 hours to, you know, to cut the grass. And fingers crossed, guys. Fingers crossed na yung lawnmower natin, di ba last week, okay siya. Yung wheel niya is hindi flat. So, hopefully this time, it's not flat because I don't know what to do. The grass is really long, really fast. So, I really need to cut it, guys. I really need to cut it. And, oh, grass cutting tayo, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Alam nyo, guys, I kind of like get like upset because nag-English na naman ako, guys. You know what? I'm going to English today. I'm going to English today and I don't give a freaky because I'm going to try to English, okay? Because before I English myself and people doesn't like it. So right now I'm back to English and I don't give a freak anymore, okay? Hey, English challenge. And guys, what else? What else? I don't want to forget this. I need to put this right here. And I think I need to bring my I have to be ready, guys, for example, I'm not gonna be here I'm coming back here Wednesday for the cat, but going back again over there just like last week. I need to bring what I have to have for, you know, just in case my laptop is full, I can transfer all the videos, edited videos here in external drive. May narinig na akong nagkakat ng grass, 10 o'clock na. So I guess it's okay na to cut the grass kasi hindi na masyadong basa. Kasi, grabe kanina, yung yabog mo. What do you guys want, ha? Ano ginoo ko? Matuklod man na. Tika ni mama. Arta, ginoo ko, Lord. Kuha ko ng sweater sa baba. Hey, Roxy! Roxy! Sus, yung ibon pala. Oy, ginoo ko, Lord. Huwag mong atakihin yung ibon, Rock. This time, kailangan kong, sabi pa ni Tami, kailangan mo ikat yung grass ng mga mubo. Short daw konti. Para hindi, ikat natin ng mamubo. And then, kuha tayo sa taas ng sweater. Kasi parang, ito yung suot ko pero maginaw sa labas. 46 degree. Tignan nyo, andun lang sila nakatingin sa akin. Come in. You don't do anything. You don't do anything. Tignan nyo yun. Si Farit sila ng stairs. Si Misty ayaw niya. Doon siya palagi. Huh? Roxy, eat your din. So, okay natin i-cheat. Ito na to. Okay na to siya. Dig. Okay guys, I will see you later. I'll be right back, okay? Be a good girl. I'll be right back. Mama need to cut the grass. It needed. It will rain tomorrow, tonight. Really, later. It will rain later. Okay guys. The wheels. Hala, flat. Flat na talaga siya. Wow. It's flat, guys. Kita nyo na lampi na siya dito. Pero kaya pa to. I need to, sa front house to cut. And then I'm good. Hopefully, I can cut the front house. Front yard. Guys, it's 12 o'clock na, guys. Hindi pa ako tapos. You wanna go out? Hala! Oh no, you cannot go out. You cannot go out because of the gate. No. No. Ay. Yan. Dito na lang na area. Yung anuhin ko. Tapos nasa ko, tignan niyo ang pangit. Kasi basa kasi yung grass. Nalubat guys, tapos na ako guys, and I'm going to feed the birds kasi yung birds is Tommy's babies. Oh my god, he's still very young when he umiyak talaga ako guys.
Huh?
Thank you for sharing in this adventure, this mighty ship that has sailed for so long. I love you.
A loving memory of their friend Christoph St. John. He died, he passed away. Oh my god, bakit ako iyak sa mga taong hindi ko kilala talaga? Cover this. I said, Mama, you're so weird. I'm watching the TV and watching you, you're crying. Mama, you're so weird. I will leave you again. Mama's gonna take a show that we can see Grandma. That we can watch Grandma. Are you gonna be okay here? Anyway guys, so let me just, you stay down there. The only problem I have here, this will keep beeping while I'm not here. Anyway, guys, I need to go. I need to keep going. And it's just like, seems like, because no one is over there, so I feel like it's my responsibility to be there. That's what I feel. But anyway, I'm going. Kunin ko lang itong dish ng aso. May dish kasi dito sa bathroom na para tubig nila kapag andito sila sa taas. Ganon. So yun guys, we have to, yung English ko challenge na wala. So, I have to keep going. Because if I leave here like 3 o'clock, I will be there for something o'clock. So, you know what? Doesn't matter. Excited to see Dada. Let's go. Okay, come. Excited. Excited to see Dada. I have to bring this. Let me put my charger there. Hopefully it's not wet. Let me see. Okay, it's not wet. Okay, let's go. Come here, Rox. Misty, come. Let's go. We're gonna see Dada. Come, let's go. Come here. Papasukin natin sila. What are you doing? We're gonna go see Dada. Go inside. Go in. Misty's in there. Ryan, go in. Roxy in. Go inside. Let's go. Good girl. First thing is, what I'm gonna do is listen. You know what, guys? I told you, remember? I told you that I will look for like yung mga, oh my god, na hiningal ako. I was hiningal myself. I'm looking yun sa Spotify if they have that here, citizenship, US citizenship podcast, question and answer random. Play. Ala, uy, ang sakit ng ano ko, guys. Masakit dyan ko, guys. I think hindi ako uminom ng tubig. I think the gas is okay. Yeah, the gas is still okay. I'm not gonna get another gas.
What is the supreme law of the land?
The Constitution.
What is the economic system in the United States?
A market economy.
And yes, I'm back. Gikalibanga ako, guys. Kinalibanga ako. Ay, ginoo ko. Always too much information talaga ako, guys, no? Ganito naman talaga ako, guys. Hindi na mapigilan to. Always naman akong over. Hindi man ako ano. Yun lang yung personality ko na pala share ako
The
ba.
Speaker of the House.
Bye guys, I will see you sa isang bahay or I will see you when Tommy get there. Probably Tommy will be late, so you will probably just see me and the dog. Tommy will be home very late. Yeah. So bye. I'm here. Pero okay, I'm going to the hospital. I just dropped the dogs and then go to the hospital now. I will see you later, I guess. Tologan juga, guys. I was really sleepy coming here. Like, I kept talking to Roxy, trying to try my best to, you know, be awake while driving. I'm sleepy and I know I'm gonna be more sleepy at the nursing home. Andito ako ngayon sa ShopRite kasi gusto ni Taming magpabili ng ano, milk and pagkain din namin yun. And wala din kaming ano, tawag nito, yung pagkain sa pusa kasi wala din pagkain pusa. So yun. And kuha lang tayo ng gulay para meron tayong gulay makain. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung lulutuin ko, pero yeah, grocery lang tayo, guys. Tawag nito dito tayo, kuha tayo ng ito chayote at lutuin natin yan para ano siya, para bukas, lutuin ko siya bukas. Meron na akong nabili diyan, ano, and naghanap ako ng gulay kaso hindi ko alam kung ano yung lutuin ko. Ito na lang, mushroom na lang para the next day. Ito na lang yung lutuin ko. Ayan. ay bili tayo ng tomato kasi wala pala akong tomato sa bahay. Gusto ko tong tomato na to pero mahal man ngayon ang tomato guys. Wait. Oh my god. I came here to ShopRite to buy something. I want to buy cat food, cat like dry food. But of course, I forgot. Anyway, so let's go home. My sister-in-law is she went pumunta siya sa bahay ng ina niya. May dinrap siya ng mga gamit na naman paano. Sino kayang dadala niyan? Hala kadira. Slow. What the heck? Hold on. What the heck? Are you gonna drive slower than that? You idiot. Ay, gee. This guy in front of me is just driving really slow. My God. Ay, gee. So yan, hindi pa ako kumain ng dinner. 9 o'clock na. At saka yung aso, hindi din kumain ng pagkain. Hindi din sila kumain ng dinner kasi wala ako doon, diba? Galing ako hospital. Dumiretso lang ako dito kasi si Tami gusto siya ng milk. At saka bumili din ako ng mga gulay-gulay. What is this driver? What is this driver? She can even drive? Pasensya na guys, gutom talaga ako guys. And then 9 o'clock na. Imagine 9 o'clock gutom na ako guys. Usually hindi ako kakain ng dinner pero as yan doon ako sa biyanan ko, kasama ko siya. I forgot you guys. Naandun pala kayo sa sasakyan. So yun, kinuha ko lang kayo. Kasi nakalimutan ko, naandun pala kayo. Uy, ginoo ko. And ngayon, kumain yung aso. Thankfully, kumain sila as in kinain nila yung binigay ko. And andito na ako sa bahay. Yung sister-in-law ko nag-drop ng mga gamit, guys. Uy, grabe. Ang dami niyang dinadrop ng mga gamit niya. Sabi niya, dalhin ko daw sa bahay. Gusto niyang itapon o ipamigay. So, sabi ko sa kanya, okay, dalhin ko yung iba. At saka yung kapatid niya magdala. At saka sabi ko sa kanya, kapag may ka na, gamitin natin doon sa bahay. Kasi ayaw kong sila ba ng gamit doon sa bahay. Yung parang, doon nila ilagay yung mga gamit nila sa bahay. So, yung bahay ko is maging ganito dito. So, sabi ko, kasi hindi ko sila pinayagan na magdala ng mga boxes doon sa bahay. And, kapag may lugar ka na, gamitin natin yan, dalhin ko yan sa bahay, pero hindi lahat kasi ayaw ko naman yung bahay ko naging anuhan na ng mga gamit nila. So sabi ko, kapag may lugar ka na, ibalik ko sa iyo. Kasi totoo naman guys, anong gagawin ko dyan? Meron naman kami ni Taming mga gamit. Ang sa kanya kasi mga mamahalin, mga totoong mga gamit, mga totoong Lanex, mga totoo. So, sayang naman, diba? So, isip ko, kapag wala siyang lugar at saka yung anak niya, matanda na ako yun, kapag bumalik ako sa Pilipinas, ibalik ko sa kanila. Yun, kakainin natin to. Kinuha ko to nabili ko to sa diba, nag-grocery ako. Ito, naghanap ako kung anong kakainin. Ito sana yung kainin ko, guys. Itong bowl noodle soup, hot and spicy flavor. I-try natin ito. Kung hindi natin ito magustuhan, i-try natin ito. Mga totoong, mamahalin ito, oh. Yung mga ornament, and meron siyang Tiffany, mga Tiffany na kulang na lang hugas para maganda. Maganda yung mga niya, mga gamit, kaso wala silang bahay, diba? Sayang naman. And yun, mga frames, ito din, mga daw ito, mga plato na mahal. Ito yung guys, so para masaya itong pagkain natin. Pasensya na sa TV, ha? Ay, nako. So, para masaya yung pagkain natin, of course, nagluto ako ng rice. Nagluto talaga. Niluto ko to last week. So, ininit ko lang siya. And then, ito siya, guys. Hala! Ito siya. Ilagay ko siya sa rice. Itong turkey. And then, my string beans. I-mix ko silang lahat dito. Ganyan. Rice, string beans with turkey. Look. Ito na. Almond.
Why? Chris Cavello respected the chain of command. He respected the Corps. Stick to the script, T. Cavello got sick.
Not bad, but not good.
His character wasn't questionable.
Please answer
It's
the
okay.
question, Mr. Anderson.
I'm answering your question.
It's not my thing.
Cavello's flagrant.
Meron akong dalawang laptop dito.
In the game, I'm on top of the move.
Worky.
CBS wins.
Work time. I need to do my thing.
I hear you're waiting to see me.
Yes, sir. Captain John Abraham.
Oh, sorry guys. Na-block ko kaya well. Let's see kung mag-ano ba to.
Court-martial, eh? Looking to see if there's anything I can...
Anyway guys, kita-kits na lang mamaya. Si Tami, mamaya pa yun mga 4 hours. Ano na ngayon? 10 o'clock. Late yung trabaho niya ngayon. Pasensya na guys kasi tinanggal ko yung ano ko. Late yung trabaho niya ngayon and yun. Late siya makauwi. I will see you na lang later or tomorrow. Yun. I-end ko na to dito. Kung hindi man, meron tayong continuation with Tami pagdating niya. Pero hindi ko alam baka nasa nakahiga na ako doon. But anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. And I hope guys, magkita-kits tayo sa susunod na vlog. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.
Rockabye, rockabye.